3 to the power m into n is equals to factorial 7 plus factorial 8 plus factorial 9. This is equation 1. As we know, factorial n is equals to n into factorial n minus 1. Hence, factorial 8 become 8 into 8 minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 7. So 8 into factorial 7. Similarly, factorial 9 become 9 into factorial 8, and factorial 8 is equals to 8 into factorial 7, which is equal to 9 into 8 into factorial 7. Now equation 1, 3 to the power m into n is equals to factorial 7 plus factorial 8, which is equal to 8 into factorial 7 plus factorial 9, which is equal to 9 into 8 into factorial 7. Now we take out 7 from this equation. Factorial 7, what is left? 1 plus 8 plus 9 into 8, which is equal to factorial 7 into 1 plus 8 plus 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Equal to factorial 7 into total 81. On the left side equation in the terms of 3, so we try to write down 81 as a power of 3. So factorial 7 into this equal to 3 to the power 4, because 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 81. Now we write factorial 7, which is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 3 to the power 4. Now we write 6 as a 3 into 2. What is the rest? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 3 to the power 4. In algebra, if base are same, power will be added. So total 3 to the power 1, 2 and this 4. 1 plus 4, and rest is 7 into 2 into 5 into 4 into 2. 5 into 2 into 5 into 4 into 2 is equal to 3 to the power 6, and this become 560. So left side is 3 to the power m into n is equals to 3 to the power 6 into 560. To a comparison, and become 560.